Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn on Auto HDR and HDR calibration in Windows 11. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to enable Auto HDR and HDR calibration in Windows 11, you need to first of all go to settings and tap open your display. Once you are in your display section, you need to simply scroll down below and you need to find the option called Use HDR under the subsection Brightness and Colors. Once you find this, you will find the toggle right over there. Simply turn the toggle to the right hand side and you're all set. So for calibration, click on the Calibrate your display for HDR within the same setting menu and follow the on-screen prompts. So by doing this, you will be able to simply turn on Auto HDR and HDR calibration in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.